Students, I am Vitthal Anvat, and today we are going to learn about the importance of soil. Importance of the soil science is must be included in our syllabus, so we have to focus upon the various part of the this importance of the soil. In that, the first point is medium or for the plant growth. The soil is the most important medium for the plant because of the all kinds of the nutrients has been taken by these plants through the soil. So whereas the most plant is grow from the soil, so soil provides the anchored for the plant as well as the protections of the roots from the damage, and it is a way or a medium through which water, air and nutrients are made available to plants. The well in means the most important part into the for the plantation growth is our soil, and soil provide the different kinds of the nutrition to this soil, and due to the absorption process of the plant, this nutrition has been taken by these plants through soil, and this soil has been become a rich after the death of these plants, and once again this dead material is decayed by the microorganism, and this microorganisms is uh, prepare the minerals which are required for the plant growth. So medium for the plant growth is the most first importance of our soil. The second importance of the soil is soil support animal life. As we know, the all living things are lie on the earth surface, and as a soil support plant life is also support animal life because plant are the source of food to the animal, and it is the most for the herbivores, and also some animals eat soil as a food in form of the salt licks. For the example, the pregnant woman who lack some mineral, that time they eat the soils. This type of the example. Then earthworms also take soil as a food. Means soil is a food for someone's. Then soil provide habitat for the living organisms. In the soil there are some animals living there. Examples we can get the example like as the burrowing animals like rodents, the earthworms and the termites. They means rabbit is there, sorry, rat is there. Means this type of the living things are direct or indirectly lie into the soil. So the soil is a important habitat for these living organisms. Then there are many microorganisms also lie into this soil. The provide site for the agriculture activities is the most importance of this soil, because soil is provides the site for the agricultural activities. The fertile soil promotes the agricultural activities, both animal husbandry and the crop cultivation. This is because soil support the growth of pasture for the animals. Means as you know, the India 70% people directly depend upon this agriculture sector, and for the cultivating uh, this soil there is a requirement, cultivating of this agriculture there is a requirement of the soil, and this is the most important. Soil is available into the everywhere easily and on our earth surface. Then another one important of the soil is they provide the settlement. As we know, the all the human beings are lie on the earth surface, so the soil influence the distribution of settlement For the example, the area with the good fertile soil are densely populated compared to the area with the poor soil. Here we can get the example of India's most fertile land is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, then our Maharashtra also. In this region, the soil is much fertile because of the texture, structure, water availability, and all allied factors also supportive for the good soil. So what's happened in this, whereas the world's fertile land is observed, here is the densely population has been observed, like as North India, then Bangladesh is there, Pakistan is there, in southern Pakistan, then European countries is there, whereas the densely population observed in ancient time, the cultures are developed near to the bank of the river because of the fertile land is the most common reason behind that. Then soil provide the building materials. This is also one important thing is here the soil provide the building materials, as we know the bricks, tiles and the whitewash. These are the made from the soil. So all building material is came from the soil. All these material are used to the building houses, then bridges, etc. Also, soil is used for directly in road constructions. Means any kinds of the building material, soil is a play important role like as road to buildings of the human beings. Then another most importance of soil is a source of minerals. There are some minerals found into the soil that can be extracted for commercial purposes. Also, it is used to manufacture fertilizers as it contains minerals. For example, the fertilizer that contain the phosphate. Example in Minjingu, Manyara region, whereas you can find out the maximum phosphate into the soil. Means soil is a major source of the various types of the minerals like as phosphate, calcium, then any kinds of the minerals which are the ions also is there. These are the required for the human beings, and not only the human beings but the all micro organisms and all living things is depend upon the these minerals. Then the another one importance of the soil, it's provide the raw material for pottery and ceramics. The people who direct or indirect depend upon the such type of the activity, they are the earn or their businesses or their life, day-to-day life is totally depend upon these two things. Means soil is used to making the pots and this help to provide income to those who engage in this activity. Means we as we so into the society there are the many people they sold the pots, and with the help of that they means their earning is concerned with the that one. So the soil is the most important things is here because of the all raw materials of this pot or the ceramics has been come from the soil. This is the most important uh, importance of this soil. So as we focus that the what are the importance of the soil as it's required for the plantation growth, then there are many minerals which is come from the soil or the all minerals which is came from the soil for the human beings is there. Then many minerals. Then the raw materials of the our any kinds of the activities has been come from the soils. Then The building materials, all kinds of the building materials we are uh, directly depend upon the soil. Hence, these are the importance of the soils in human beings' life. Thank you.